So showing me exactly what the move looks like, instead of doing it visually, I do it tactily.
It's definitely close.
How high would you say, ish? Like to your body? Waist level. Okay.
So I'm going for
Take a wild stab.
bench, table.
You think it's a bench?
Like you.
Want to see? I want to see.
Okay.
Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue. Okay. Hey, you tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car and 4 years no cars. Now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar and I can't stop. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder. Pull the sheets right up the corner of that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older. Falling too fast to prepare for this. Tripping in the world could be dangerous. Everybody circling as vultures. Negative, nepotist. Everybody waiting for the fall of man. Everybody praying for the end of times. Everybody hoping they could be the one. I was born to run, I was born for this. Whip, me like a racehorse. Pull me like a ripcord. Break me down and build me up. I wanna be the slip, word on your lip, ready to rip. Break me down and build me up. Whatever it takes. Looking at my body feeling miserable. Always hanging on to the visual. I wanna be invisible. Looking at my years like I'm out of done. Everybody needs to be a part of them. Never be enough from the prodigal son. I was born to run, I was born.
Ball with the ball, bang the bang, diggy diggy diggy, said the boogie, said up jump the boogie. Ball with the ball, bang the bang.
Been away for college, was the baddest geek around. He's been doing everything but make his parents proud. He tried his best to study hard, but still he got too drunk. Won lots of beer pong tournaments, but still he had to flunk. His ex-girlfriend got a girlfriend. His Barbie tried a female Ken, but when the white ball hits the red cup, he's the baddest fucker in the frat club. Then he does the pong dance. The pong dance. He does the pong dance. The pong dance. Touched a cigarette but tried to smoke a joint. He coughed and soon he felt regret, just screaming what's the point. And every time he saw this girl his face would turn to red.